What would you say to a company or organization that is worried about disruption to existing processes as they undergo this transformation?
Well, I mean, I think in DHL we're a bit past the stage where disruption is seen as something bad. It's seen as something positive. So yes, we keep coming out with new systems. I mean, I'm just being migrated to Office 365, which is a complete pain, but it's progress, it's positive disruption, and it's a micro example. But in terms of large data projects, it really depends on how you sell it. So we're making this change. This is the new analytics. From my side, this is our new costing profitability system, and this is how it will help you. So yes, as Ulrich said, you can still find issues in your data which you have to fix, but the big picture, it's all about progress.
I think you have to embrace it. It's only ever positive. Some of it can, yes, quite openly be a pain in the ass. When somebody comes into you and tells that field is not being filled in correctly, and because of that we're unable to be able to do something, you need to be able to do your job more accurately on that, then that can be a real pain in the ass. But the returns from that are always massively outweigh any type of disruption that's going on for it.
We luckily is a small organization, so you know, very little disruption, to be honest, in terms of it's only good stuff has come out of it, in my mind. And I would sincerely recommend everyone to do something about how they can view their data and use the power of the data to make the right business decision for them.